or music?
Music.
Clutter in the closet or in your drawer?
Closet?
No knees or no elbows?
No elbows. I have to be able to run.
Mountains or beach?
Mountains.
Never speak again or never hear again?
Oh, I talk way too much. Never hear again.
Power of flight or to read minds?
Read minds, 100%.
Pause time or rewind time?
Pause?
Rustic and Main custom ring that tells your story or a chain store jewelry brand?
That's the tough one. I guess I'll go custom.
So I'm going to tell you what everybody here at Rustic and Main thinks your spirit animal is.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So there is no consensus at all.
Sounds right.
Eric Thompson thinks you're a dolphin.
Okay.
Jeffrey thinks you're an otter. Sydney thinks you're Sebastian the crab.
Deal.
Kevin, an antelope. Elisha, Dash, the sloth. Phoebe, a husky dog. Zach, a house cat. Summer, Dr. Doofenshmirtz.
Okay, okay. I'm
Ricky,
down with that.
Happy, the dwarf.
All right.
And Carolina, a mosquito. Why would Carolina think you're a mosquito?
Probably because I'm super annoying to her, but she returns the favor, so it's fine.
So what song best describes Tyler? We asked the team.
Okay.
Jorge, Bet on It from High School Musical. Phoebe, Represent from Weezer.
Oh, okay.
You know that song?
Yeah,
That was
yeah,
right there.
yeah. I don't know.
Okay. Jeffrey, Do It Again by Steely Dan.
That one I have no idea.
Eric Thompson, Slow Ride. Bobcat.
Nope.
Summer, the Super Mario theme song.
Okay, yeah, there we go. I'm down with that.
Carolina, Over the Rainbow, the Judy Garland version.
Yes, because I always, I always sing that to her in a very obnoxious way. It's wonderful.
Like, okay, do it for us.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Because I can't sing, but I can yell it really loud.
Ricky says Belle, the live action Beauty of the Beast.
Yeah.
Cassie, Happy by
Okay.
Pharrell Williams.
Yep.
Zach, the main title from the Game of Thrones. Sydney, Don't Stop Believing.
Okay, yeah.
The Glee version.
Oh, deal. Yeah.
Okay, so what is our favorite thing about you, Tyler? Phoebe said you're the quip king. Jorge, team player. Ricky, upbeat. Anne, cheerful. Eric T, personality. Kevin, team player. Carolina, you her Zaxby buddy.
Yeah.
And funny. Summer said you're unruffable.
Okay, I like that.
Cassie says he's got thick skin. And Zach says hardworking.
All right. Down with all those?
Cool.